This had just happened at the end of the Faulkner focus, and so now we're learning more. Breaking news: Ottawa's police chief resigning today amid criticism of his inaction against the Freedom Convoy. Critics are accusing Prime Minister Justin Trudeau of bringing martial law to Canada as he invokes never-before-used emergency powers to crack down on Freedom Convoy protesters. Under the Emergencies Act, the government is introducing measures that aim to cut off the protesters, cut them off from their money, all the funding. That would include crowdfunding platforms being used to support the blockade. However, the Canadian Civil Liberties Association says the government has not met the standard for invoking the Emergencies Act. And at least 4 Canadian premiers, the equivalent of state governors, you could say, called the plan a dangerous overreach. Canada's Minister of Public Safety, however, is defending this extraordinary measure.